Hey, let me show you how to customize watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. Let's start with customizing current watch face. So for this, just press and hold it and choose to customize. And now we can customize background, color, hands, hand color, and complication. And for each of the options, just simply swipe up or down to find your best one. And now let's go to the complication, and right here you would be able to add some widgets on your watch face. For this, let's just choose left side, for example, and now I have a widget of steps in it. So let's switch to cycle tracking, for example, and now it will be placed right here on the watch face on the left side. You can do just the same for the right side as well. And next thing we are gonna do is to add a new watch face. For this, like before, just press and hold the screen. And now I currently have two options, but it is not enough for me. So let's scroll till the add watch face, tap this option, and now we can see many other watch faces with different styles in it. So just choose which ones suits you the best. And also, you can see this more watch faces option. Let's just tap it, and here you would be able to see even more options from which you can choose. Just tap any option, and if you want to install it, just tap install and confirm. And now this watch face will be installed on your watch. You can manage your watch faces with the help of Galaxy Wearable app as well. So let's open it first. And right here on the first page, you can see the tab which is named Watch Faces. So here is many options and many different styles of watch faces from which you can choose. If you want to install any of the option, just tap it, wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading, and here it is. You can also scroll till the end to see the More Watch Faces tab. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to see more watch faces from which you can install. Here are non-free and free options. So let's select any free option, for example, this colorful one, and just tap install button. Wait a couple of seconds till it will be installed. And now this watch face appears on the watch, so we just need to tap the set button. And here it is, our colorful watch face. You can also add your own photo to the watch faces. For this, let's just go back to the watch faces tab. And right here in the section of photos, you need to choose the first one. And then tap this edit icon on the top, go in background, in pictures, and choose any photo from your gallery. For example, this cute plant. Then click done button. Here you can even edit your photo by adding some exposure, for example, or highlights, and so on. Then just tap done button, wait a couple of seconds, and then save it to your watch face by tapping this option. And here it is. So that's it. Now you know how to manage watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.